Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 1287 Lassen. But the great thing, the great thing about this house is not only it's in Moonridge, kind of easy to get to, but it's that the mountain is right there. Right there, Bear Mountain. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 1287 Lassen. There's the ski slopes, the chairlift right here. So not going to be too much like through traffic. I mean, people going to Siskiyou, Primrose, things like that will be coming through. Here comes somebody right now. Probably going more than the speed limit allows. But we all break the law every once in a while. Okay, so here's the property line. Likely, looks like the fence does belong to this house, and that's just under the assumption that the property line is correct, but it doesn't appear like anything looks funny. And then this side as well. I'm just going to walk a little bit further over just to show. It kind of goes up at an angle. It appears this is an empty lot. It could go with that house, but it does appear that it might be a vacant lot, and I can tell on a title map if so. So concrete driveway, very easy, mild slope going up. Got a nice pine tree, and then apple tree on the property. So you can see it's growing its fruit. Looks like it's cleared of like all the brush that the city wants to. And so it is log siding. It is currently a vacation rental too. So 8 people, 3 cars, because it is 3 bedrooms. And it looks like it's self-managed too. So garage door, the roof actually looks like it's in really good shape too. And we do have gutters too, which is good for any kind of water coming down here. So here we are entering the main room. One thing I would say is like a little bit more lighting would take this a long way. It feels like a light needs to be in this region when it comes on. Maybe some track lighting up here. Does have laminate flooring. It seems like it's pretty durable too. This is a rental, and I don't see like many signs of like used and abused kind of rental. It seems like it's in really good shape for it being a rental. So down the hallway is going to be the bedrooms, bathrooms, but we're going to go, for the sake of the tour, and go this way. We do have a Nest thermostat, which is nice, so you can control if the guests leave it on. We've got white tile counters. It looks like in some areas it has chipped, but not awful. Decent sized living room. And I want to check out, we've got like a kind of like a wood flooring on the wall, which is really pretty. They did a good job with that. Good to have leather couches for rental. Just things that are very durable. No fabric. It's sometimes people damage that. So here we are, brick fireplace in the living room. It does not, just trying to see if it had a, it's not a gas starter, but it is really nice because it does have these vents, so you are going to be able to, get that heat inside the house. I love these open vaulted ceilings. And then we go into the dining room. So one thing to note, again, we do have dual pane windows with the grids in it. They do have this as an accent wall that continued over from the living room. It's a good sized table. You could probably get more of like a rectangular one to fit 6, you know, the 6 that you're advertising that you can sleep in here. And then we've got like a galleyway kitchen. Again, the white tile, super clean. Cabinets, really clean as well. They're not the slow close type, but they are in really good shape. Lots of counter space. And it is pretty open, living room, kitchen, and dining room as well. So it seems like to me, just having seen this floor plan many times, is that this probably at one time was the back of the house and then they added on to it, which is just my guess. Because there is another bedroom that you can get to from here or through a bedroom. So in this utility-like game room, we've got the laundry. This should be the water heater. This looks like it's in good shape. Got a little gaming area, which is good for rental. Not entirely sure what that noise is, but it's locked, so I can't tell. And so you can get to this bedroom from this bedroom or from the utility room. So here we are going into bedroom number 1. This would be a master. It's got 2 queen beds in here. Just very spacious, nice furniture too. And then 2 closets. Good sized closets. And then we're going into the master bathroom. So it's kind of it's really a full bath because you do have the shower and you also have a tub. But this does say do not use. This is not functional. Whoa. So probably have to have somebody look into this, but that's pretty cool. It's like having a hot tub in the house. But I imagine having it be a rental and having it be off limits to guests is probably not ideal. This is tile, but what I wanted to tell was it kind of looks like it's been patched in different ways. So, you know, this looks like a somewhat easy project, you know, like get in there, see if you could fix it, and then retile out here if you need to, or even just maybe regrouting it could be what it needs. Because all the tile is the same, but the grout seems different in some areas than others. Can't tell if you can see that in the camera. Okay, so leaving the master. So I'm going to, for the sake of it, go into this bedroom, which you can get to again through this bedroom or through the hallway. So again, 2 beds in here, nice furniture, vaulted ceilings, closets. It's very nicely decorated. So you could definitely fit 3 in here, 4 in the other. That's 7. Owner closet. I mean, just between the 2 bedrooms, you've got 7. You can fit 7, but legally for rental, they're only allowing 6 right now. Then we're gonna go in to bedroom number 3. So what did I say, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, if you have 10 in your family and you are up for the weekend, you can have as many people in the home as you like, but for rental purposes, it's going to be 2, 2, and 2. Let's check out the view out this window. And we've still got in the hallway, closet space. You do have access to the attic right here. And we do have central heating. So here's going to be our intake. And in each of the rooms, I did see that they have a space for it, for heat to come through. Then we got the heater in here. And then off the living room, that's where you would get to these 2 bedrooms and the common bathroom, or otherwise known as baño. So again, same tile all throughout the house, same flooring pretty much all throughout the house. We did transition from carpet in the bedrooms to wood floors. Full bathroom. This is just like a built-in and a plastic tub, but pretty clean. All right, and then I'm going to go outside and open up the garage. So we do have a doggy door. So nice concrete pad. It is finished off in here, like drywalled off, which is good. It's a good space to be able to just keep your stuff, you know, away from renters being able to take it, use it, things like that. Nice, like a utility workshop area here too, and just lots of storage. So there you have it. 1287 Lassen. And just hit the market this week for $699. Let me know if you have any questions at all. You can get on the list right there. Bye. I forgot. Sometimes when I say bye, I don't really mean bye. I mean, I forgot to show you something. So the backyard. So here we are on the back patio. Nice area for a hot tub, especially if you choose not to get that hot tub up and running. It is fenced all the way around. I'm going to walk up here. I'll show you the backyard a little bit more. So it's graded. I mean, it's kind of sloped right here, but not as bad once you get up at the top. Be a cool little sledding hill right here. They do have a shed out here. Not entirely sure about the conditions. So. It looks like it's going to probably have some termite work back here because the wood is touching the ground. You also have a critter door. Hopefully that's closed. And then the roof is, the shingles are kind of going on it. I do not trust myself to go down that angle with the shoes that I have on. And they have it padlocked too. So it's kind of another little just area that keeps the dirt and the rainwater away from the house too. And it's covered right here as well. And if you needed to, you could get on the roof pretty easily right here. Step roof. Okay, so that is actually the end of the tour. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.